Today, we'll discuss 3 requests that often come up and explain why notaries aren't allowed to do these things. The public is often confused about what notaries are allowed to do, and you may be asked for services you cannot perform as a notary. Never give unauthorized legal advice. Never use your seal to make a document appear legal. And never endorse advertising. Let's start with giving unauthorized legal advice. This comes up quite often. Some people mistakenly assume that notaries have legal expertise and can provide legal advice, similar to lawyers. This is not true. Only a qualified attorney or other authorized legal professional is permitted to provide this information. Notaries are not. Here are a couple of common scenarios you might encounter. A signer asks you how to complete a document, or if notarial wording is missing from a document, the signer may ask you if they should use a jurat or an acknowledgement. While it may seem harmless to help them with these things, it's actually illegal. If you give a signer the wrong information, causing the document to be rejected, you could be held liable for any damages resulting from this, along with other penalties. This is considered the unauthorized practice of law. In many states, notaries can have their commissions suspended or revoked for doing this. Now let's talk about why you shouldn't use your notary seal to make a document appear legal. Every so often, people ask a notary to attach a seal to a document so that it looks more legal in a court of law. They mistakenly believe that a notary's seal or signature alone will automatically make the document legal. This is not true. As we said earlier, notaries verify the identity of the signer. They don't simply sign and stamp documents. The receiving agency doesn't accept a document just because it's notarized or has a notary seal. The document still has to be valid. Also, a document that is just signed or sealed by a notary without a complete and signed notarial certificate is not a proper notarization. Never stamp, sign, or use your seal for any request except for proper notarizations permitted under your state law. From time to time, you may be asked to use your seal and signature to endorse a product, contest, or person. These requests don't come up as often, but you should be prepared to turn them down. For example, you may be asked to put your seal and signature in an ad with a message like, "This contest is guaranteed by a notary public." Don't do it. Many states forbid a notary from using their seal and commission except for authorized notarizations. When people see the ad, they may assume it is government approved because a notary was involved. That's just not true. Only use your notary commission to perform authorized acts. A bizarre example of this happened in 1977. A New York notary certified that the rock band Kiss mixed their blood with some of the ink used to print their Marvel comic book. This is an act that New York notaries aren't normally allowed to perform. The only state that allows notaries to certify an event is Washington. And in those cases, Washington notaries are only authorized to certify that an event took place or that an act was performed. They are not allowed to promote the event or endorse it in advertising. So, now you know some of the common, seemingly harmless requests from signers may actually be illegal. And they can cause you to lose your commission and be held liable for damages. It's important to turn down these requests and act in accordance with your own state's laws to protect yourself and the public. For more information like this, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for new video notifications. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.